Pilipinas ang 2019 novel coronavirus. Yan ang kinumpirma ng Department of Health ngayong araw.
Today, the DOH is confirming that the 38-year-old female Chinese patient under investigation, or PUI, is positive.
Community quarantine is hereby imposed inside of Metro Manila in other area.
So ngayon, ang goal naman natin dito, kaya natin ginagawa yan, is para lumakas ang loob ninyo. Kasi karamihan sa inyo mahihain, karamihan sa inyo may nagsi-self-limit kayo na hindi yan para sa akin. But the good thing about CVAP is this is the only community, the only family na kahit sino ka pa, no? Ito yung talagang masasabi mong kakampi mo sa maraming bagay. So ang dinidevelop natin talaga dito, aside from voice acting skill, is the relationship to each other. And inaalis natin dito yung feeling ba na insecurity, or alam mo yung parang, ayoko na sumali kasi marunong na sila. No, dito, tulungan tayo. Kasi at the end of the day, alam nyo, kaya nyong gawin lahat. Tanggalin nyo lang yung inhibitions ninyo. Kasi yun yung nagpipigil sa inyo, yung hiya ninyo eh. But once you break the ice, you get out of your shell, trust me, you can do everything that you can imagine.
So dito sa CVAP, what we encourage you to do is to be your own fan, your #1 fan. Kasi kung hindi ka naniniwala sa sarili mo, who else will? Gusto naming itatak sa isip at puso mo, kaboses, na importante ka, and so mahalin mo ng buong-buo ang sarili mo. The fact that you are here means that you are taking the first step to that journey. So, congratulations, okay? Mark this day. Bakit? Dahil magbabago ang buhay ninyo simula ngayong araw na to.